Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to use Vencord and plugins. So first, go to your browser, search for Vencord, just like so, and click on the first one here. Once you're done with that, click on download Vencord, just like so. And of course, pick the platform you're using. So I currently use Windows. After that, click on this button, the download Vencord installer.exe. Wait for it to download, and once it's downloaded, just click on it and select an install location for your Discord. So this is it. And if it's not that, you could create a custom install location. It's up to you. But for this video, I suggest you choose this one and click on install. And if you either want to uninstall this after everything's done, you could just open the installer again and click on uninstall and make sure that the path is correctly selected. So let's go on with this. So click on install. If Discord is still open, fully close it first. So it closed Discord automatically for me. So let's just exit to this and search for Discord again and open it. There, and now go to user settings, scroll down, and as you can see, the Vencord section is here, right there, and the plugins are right here. So show all, so enabled, or you could either go to the Vencord website and go to plugins there, but going to Discord right here is much better, since it could easily just open it. So for example, if I want to use this plugin, just click on it, and you need to restart to apply new plugins and their settings. So I suggest that you open everything up first. So let's try three plugins first. So let's find a good one right here. Say fake Nitro. There, and after that, just click on restart. Now, as you can see, Discord has restarted, and let's check plugins again. So let's sort it out by the enabled ones, so that you will not be confused. So this one cannot be edited since it's just as is. For the other ones, for the better folders, you could edit the sidebar, and close all folders, close all home buttons. So we could add those if you want. And here, the fake Nitro, enable emoji bypass. So it could allows us to stream into Nitro qualities and fake emoji stickers and use client themes. And here on the decor, create and use your own custom avatar decorations. For the better folders, show server folders on the dedicated sidebar and adds folder related improvements. So it's just something like that. And when you click here, it shows the folder on the right instead of extending it down, which is the default mode when you don't have these plugins. So it's that easy, guys. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.